Hello, local lovers! It's a perfect day today. I am Aubrey and welcome to the third part of our GAC series. Here we're going to meet and have an exclusive chikahan ang isa sa mga leader from one of the agencies para sa nalalapit na grad ad clash. Pagdak na ito nabalitaan ko that they are really working hard for this upcoming grand ad clash. Ibig bang sabihin nun that their win is guaranteed? Or will they let their skills and dedication do their thing? Para mapisahan ng ating pagtatanong, we have here Tia Daniela from Team Trident. Hello, Tia Daniela. Hello. So yes, for the first question, using 3 words without giving away too much information, describe your team's preparation para sa Grand Ad Clash.
Siguro if I will describe is savoring the moment.
Savoring the moments. So bakit po yun? Anong meaning behind this word?
Since this is the first competition namin as a whole section kasi, so, we're just enjoying the preparation and parang wala siyang pressure and all of this parang bonus na lang kung mag-champion or magkaroon ng place. For us, this is all, experience lang talaga, full of learning and we want just to enjoy the memories na mabubuo during this competition.
Okay, so we also want to know, no, kapag ba may mga clash between ideas as a team leader, paano mo siya hinahandle?
Okay. Wala pa naman kaming gaano, di pa naman nangyayari yung ganong nagka-clash yung mga Pero as a team leader kasi it's very important na papakinggan mo yung side ng bawat member mo and ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, marunong kang balansehin yung mga bagay. Eh, hindi lang basta tanggap. So, kailangan fini-filter mo siya kapag once na-learning mo yung ideas sa isa, filter out mo kung ano lang talaga yung tama doon. And mas makakatulong sa isang team leader kapag alam mo yung goal or yung pinaka-need yung ma-achieve for that discussion. So, it's very important na binabalanse bawat ideas.
Oh yes, tama naman. And as a team leader yourself, how do you keep the preparation process enjoyable?
I make sure kasi na lahat is aligned with so lahat is informed sa nagiging process even though nasa iba silang committee, kailangan informed sila dun sa ginagawa ng other committee so that kapag nagkaroon ng mga kailangan na or urgent na help from other committees is makakatulong sila. And tapos nag-enjoy yung mga members mo kasi kapag alam nila yung mga ginagawa din ng ibang.
So during this phase, importante to keep your members motivated, di ba? So bilang team leader, once again, how do you express your appreciation sa effort and contribution nila?
For my team members, lagi ko make sure na sila, align sila sa mga tasks sa pagbababa ng JO and I make sure na walang nala-left out. Kasi important na lahat napapakinggan mo yung side sila kapag may concern and also I make sure then na yung environment within the section is healthy and also pag mayroong mga concern na nag-arise is na susolusyonan agad siya.
Alright, so do you have any message for your fellow clashers?
Okay, to my fellow clashers, alam ko many of you are wondering if nag-start na ba kami and may mga naririnig ako na kasi hindi nyo pa daw kami nakikita kung paano gumawa ng campaign. So, siguro na lang to see na lang sa July if and hindi low-key man kami pero let's see kung anong mangyayari.
Alright, so aabangan natin yan. Thank you so much, Tia Daniela.
Thank you so much.
And that's it for today. Once again, this is Aubrey. Abangan natin kung sino nga ba ang susunod na agency na mag-spill ng kanilang ad clash chika. See you on the next one.